Well, good morning, guys. Today we are going to do a Alaskan sawmilling job in this semi-remote location. It's actually not that far from anything, but we have to cross a river, so got to get everything loaded into the raft and then chug it all the way across the river and then mill up this log and then have to cart the pieces back across the river, so it'll be fun. Got all the tools loaded up and we're ready to go. And also, don't follow my example. I'm not wearing a hard hat and I'm not wearing safety glasses, mainly because we had a lot of equipment to pack over and safety equipment was, of course, on the back of my list. We got the log down to kind of a stable position, at least for now. I'm trying to debate whether I should cut it off here and that, or readjust the rails so we get to the end. We're just gonna get what we get, so it's not gonna be perfect no matter what we do. Okay, so this is the first 3-inch plank we got. Came out pretty good, I think. It already looks pretty good, but I think once it gets cleaned up, it'll look even better. So I finally got the hard hat on. We came back to get some gas and oil, so I figured I'd get the proper equipment on while I'm back there. Well, we got some pretty nice wood out of this, looks like. This one, we didn't get the perfect cut. We kind of wavered up and down on it, but I think once it's trimmed, it should look pretty good. Got a little friend over there. Just kind of moseying across. So the idea here is floating these planks across. We already got one across, so now we're just going to do this one. It's quite the challenge. Of course, it picked up another 100 pounds or so probably in the water, but at least we got one over there. Let's give this one a shot. Alrighty, so we got the planks across. Now we just got to get all the equipment across, and then we'll call it a day. Well, we got everything across the river safely. We got the planks safely placed out of the river, and we got all of our equipment loaded. So, yep, time to call it a day.